Palawan, the last frontier of the Philippines, is a province of unparalleled beauty and cultural richness. Comprising 23 municipalities and one capital city, Palawan is home to a diverse population with roots from different regions. However, it is the Cuyunon dialect that ties many communities together, reflecting the province's unity amid diversity. Despite the variety of dialects, Palawan stands strong and connected through its rich culture and traditions, which remains vibrant and alive, especially during the festive celebrations in every village. Today, we are proud to showcase some of Palawan's most colorful and iconic festivals. These celebrations invite you to experience the unique stories, vibrant traditions, and unmatched beauty of our province. While we highlight a few municipalities, remember that every town in Palawan adds its own charm to the collective tapestry of its heritage. Let us take you on a journey through these 8 incredible festivals. The municipality of Coron invites you to experience its vibrant tourism through the Kasadyaan Festival. This lively celebration features an array of spectacular performances and showcases the town's breathtaking beauty. Coron's stunning bay and islands provide a perfect backdrop for this festival, which highlights the talents and creativity of its people. Whether it's through street dances, music, or art, Kasadyaan leaves every visitor inspired and in awe. The Manunggol Festival is a heartfelt tribute to Palawan's rich history and culture. Held in the municipality of Quezon, this celebration brings to life the legacy of the Manunggol Jar, one of the Philippines' most significant archaeological treasures. Through performances, exhibits, and cultural displays, visitors are taken on a journey to the past, honoring the traditions and wisdom of Palawan's ancestors. Located at the heart of Palawan, Roxas thrives as a hub for trade and community life. The Panalaminan Festival is a grand celebration of its prosperity and unity. This festival highlights Roxas' role as a vital link for neighboring towns and showcases its thriving cashew production. Through lively parades, cultural presentations, and community gatherings, Panalaminan captures the town's spirit and showcases its warm hospitality. Cuyu's Purongitan Festival is a vibrant celebration of the colorful traditions of the Cuyunon people. The word Purongitan means to color your neighbor's face without them noticing, and this playful spirit is reflected throughout the festival. From traditional dances and music to artistic showcases, the event celebrates the island's rich heritage while inviting everyone to join in its joyful, carefree vibe. Known as the Rice Granary of Palawan, Narra pays tribute to its hardworking farmers through the Palay Festival. This event is a heartfelt celebration of agriculture and the community's resilience. With colorful parades, creative floats, and heartfelt performances, the Palay Festival honors the lifeblood of the town's economy while inviting visitors to appreciate the beauty and importance of rural life. In San Vicente, the Malagnang Festival offers a unique and creative celebration that truly sets it apart. The term Malagnang, meaning muddy in Cuyunon, reflects the festival's tribute to farmers who work tirelessly in the fields. One of its highlights includes artistic and playful performances in the mud, creating a fun and meaningful way to honor agricultural life. This festival reminds visitors of the community's connection to the land and its enduring spirit. The Balinsasayaw Festival pays homage to the swiftlet bird, whose nests are a treasured delicacy and symbol of abundance. El Nido, renowned for its pristine beaches and crystal clear waters, uses this festival to celebrate its natural wonders. Visitors can enjoy a mix of cultural performances, ecotourism activities, and gastronomic delights, all while marveling at the unparalleled beauty of El Nido's landscapes. Taytay's Pasinggatan Festival, which means pakislapan or brilliance, is a competition of arts, beauty, and community spirit. This celebration showcases the best of each barangay through captivating performances, dances, and friendly contests. It's a heartfelt display of unity and talent, where everyone comes together to celebrate the brilliance of Taytay's people and heritage.
Ang awit ng kalikasan, tinig ng pag-asa sa bawat daan, o lupang paraiso. Iyong ganda'y walang kapantay, sa bawat ngiti, sa bawat sulyap, damdamin ay natatangay. May lihim sa lilim ng mga punong kay taas, mga nilalang malayang naglalakbay, tinig ng kasaysayan, damdaming tunay sa lupain ito. Pag-ibig ay buhay, kaluluwa ng bayan, dama sa paligid, pagmamahal ay tiyak na matatagpuan. Oh, lupang paraiso, iyong ganda'y walang kapantay, sa bawat ngiti, sa bawat sulyap, damdamin ay natatangay. Sa himig ng hangin at hampas ng alon, may kwento ng saya, pagkakaisa noon. Tahanan ng pag-ibig, bisitang kay saya, sa iyong bisig, ang mundo'y pahinga. Oh, lupang paraiso, iyong ganda'y walang kapantay. Sa bawat ngiti, sa bawat sulyap, damdamin ay natatanga. Ito ang paraiso, lupang minamahal. Palawan, tahanan ng aking dasal. Sa bawat hakbang, ginto ang buhangin, hangin ng dagat, awit ay lambing, kalikasang tila, larawang buhay. Sa bawat tanawin, puso'y napapahimlay. Dinig mo ba ang awit ng kalikasan? Tinig ng pag-asa sa bawat daan. O lupang paraiso, iyong ganda'y walang kapantay.
Each of these festivals is an invitation to immerse yourself in the culture, history, and beauty of Palawan. They are not just celebrations, they are stories of the resilient and vibrant people keeping their traditions alive. Come and experience the magic of Palawan and let these festivals leave a lasting impression to your heart. This is Tito Iming. Have a great day ahead.
Tinig ng kasaysayan, damdaming tunay sa lupaing ito. Pag-ibig ay buhay, kaluluwa ng bayan, dama sa paligid. Pagmamahal ay tiyak na matatagpuan. Oh,